Today we're going to be making red chilaquiles from scratch, and we're back at my mom's house, so let's get started. Okay, so we have 3 tomatoes,
3 jitomates, 6 chiles guajillos,
6 chile guajillos,
una cucharita de consomé de pollo,
1 spoon of consome,
media cucharita de cominos,
1 of cumin,
pimientas,
20 black peppers,
una cucharita de sopera de orégano,
some oregano,
5 o 6 ajos, depende del tamaño,
some garlic cloves, about 5 or 6,
3 chiles de árbol,
3 chiles de arbol,
queso ranchero o el que les guste,
and then you can get this queso ranchero from any Mexican market, and
tortillas.
we got our tortillas. All right, guys. So the chiles are washed and they're de-seeded, and we also took the stems off of them. We have the tomatoes here. We're gonna throw it all together into our boiling hot water. We're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. So while the tomatoes and chiles are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and add all our spices into the blender. We're gonna start with our consome, then we're gonna add our cumin, then we're gonna add our black peppers, then we're gonna add our oregano, and then we're gonna add our whole garlic cloves and just let that rest. So our chiles and tomatoes are done. We're gonna go ahead and add it to our blender. We have this little container right here that we're gonna put it in. We're gonna make a lot of salsa and there's gonna be some left over. So that's why we're gonna put it in this little cup. So we went ahead and blended it until it's very liquefied. Let me give you a close-up. So there it is, guys. This is your chilaquiles sauce. We probably will only use half of this when we're making our chilaquiles, and the other half we'll save it and we'll put some vinegar in it, and it'll last up to like 12 days in the fridge.